Welcome to our YouTube channel Electriicgear, dedicated to provide valuable insights and tips for Tesla owners. In this video, we will discuss essential tips to maximize the lifespan of your Tesla battery. By following these guidelines, you can ensure optimal performance and prolong the longevity of your electric vehicle's battery. 1. Temperature control. Keep your battery within the optimal temperature range, typically between 20 degrees C and 25 degrees C. Extreme cold or hot temperatures can degrade battery performance. 2. Avoid frequent fast charging and deep discharges. Opt for regular charging sessions to maintain the battery between 20% and 80% capacity. 3. When possible, use scheduled charging to complete the charging process just before you plan to use the vehicle. Avoid leaving the battery at 100% for extended periods. 4. If you won't be using your Tesla for an extended period, ensure it is stored with a charge level between 50% and 70%. 5. Keep your Tesla plugged in when not in use to maintain the battery's charge level and utilize the vehicle's thermal management system to keep the battery in an optimal temperature range. 6. Minimize exposure to extreme temperatures when parking by using shaded or covered parking areas. 7. Regularly update your Tesla's software to benefit from optimizations and improvements that can enhance battery performance and efficiency. By following these guidelines, you can help extend the lifespan and maintain the overall health of your Tesla's battery.